I gave both tools the same client hunting prompt and tested which one actually finds better paying clients. You won't believe which one came out on top, and I'm going to give you access to the exact prompts that I used here in this video. In fact, I put together a full Google Doc right here of the exact prompts that I used. All you have to do is leave a comment below the video. Just, ask a question, tell me what you enjoyed about the video, and I'll be scrolling through the comments, answering questions. I always reply to every single comment on the channel here, and I'll drop a link to the free prompt as well. Now, this is one of the prompts that I used. I said, give me 5 local service businesses in city that likely need help with online lead generation and include what's wrong with their current marketing. So we ran this same prompt through ChatGPT, and then we ran it through DeepSeek. And I'm gonna kind of give you the high level overview of the different results that we got. And then I'm gonna show you the exact results. And I'm gonna show you a bonus tool here later in the video that did better than both of these two tools that I think is gonna surprise you. So let's break down tool number 1, which was ChatGPT. So the pros is the response time of ChatGPT is pretty fast. It suggested general niches like plumber and roofer, and it mentioned some common issues like no call to action or the site being slow. But the problem is that it didn't give me like any real URLs or workable data, which meant that I had to then go and try and copy and paste stuff, go into Google and hunt things down even further. So the verdict here is that it was quick, but it was a little too generic for what I really needed to do. And if I wanted to actually make it work, I had to actually do more work on my end and do more research by going into Google and actually finding this information. So I'm gonna show you ways around that. Next up is we ran the same prompt through DeepSeek. And again, I will show you the exact results. But to give you a high level overview of this, we had a slower response time, about 10 to 15 seconds, but it gave real business names, website links, or if the website didn't exist, in some cases it gave that, which was cool. It identified exact issues like no mobile call to action or broken headers, and it included customer complaint themes as well. So the verdict on this one, very specific, research-backed, and client-ready. So if I had to compare these two side by side, again, this is the side-by-side comparison. If you're looking for speed, then yeah, ChatGPT is gonna win, but what are you really doing with the outputs that it gives you? It's not really enough information to get the job done, which means you're having to do extra research on your own, which really means that it wasn't actually faster in the long run. Versus DeepSeek, we got the exact information we needed. We just had to wait a little bit longer. Now here's what I did with DeepSeek's output, okay? I took it from the business list and I used DeepSeek to build out a fast AI-powered landing page. Now, if you're not familiar with DeepSeek, it's this tool that allows you to give a prompt and it'll take your prompt and build out a fully functional website. Now, I have a full-blown course on this called Lead Gen Site in 10 Seconds, and today you can actually pick it up at the time of filming this for just $12, which is an early bird special. That price is going to be going up, but I'll leave a link in the description of this video, and you can see how in 10 seconds I was able to build out various websites using this tool and how I'm actually making money from that and built a cool little side hustle around it. What you do is you message them showing a screenshot of their current site versus the new one, and then I closed a deal for $750 within 48 hours. Now, ChatGPT, on the other hand, I tried the same process, but the businesses weren't real. There was no website to audit, and basically my hunt ended there. Like I said, I could have gone and I could have gotten into the weeds a little more and tried to do some Google, but if I were to just go based off of the AI itself, I really couldn't send a pitch, so it was a dead end for me there. So the winner here is DeepSeek. It gave real leads, it identified real problems, and it gave client-ready messaging. So if you want to build a real pipeline around a strategy like this, then DeepSeek is going to win every time. So I want to go through and show you what we did here. So This one is the one that we ran through ChatGPT. And what you can see here is if we actually go and try to open it up, it didn't give us any real results. It pointed us to a Google Maps listing, which there's nothing wrong with the websites that it gave. So the results are either, if they're there, they're not good, or they are wrong and inaccurate. DeepSeek, on the other hand, I was pretty impressed by, because for it not being an agent, right, it did pretty well on its own. We ran the same prompt through on DeepSeek, and we actually got, actual companies. Let me see here if I can pull it up. Oh yeah, here it is. So ABC Plumbing in Austin, boom, navigated to a dead link right away, which this is a usable output for me, because now I know that they do not have a good website that is up and running. So those are two options, but I wanted to point out a bonus option for you, and that is ChatGPT's new agent mode. Can it beat DeepSeek? So I ran a slightly different prompt, tailored to it, but a little bit different, that searched live websites, spotted weak call to actions, and even wrote pitches. So the ChatGPT agent output was super impressive, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. But this one found real websites, listed visible issues like no form or weak copy, wrote clean outreach emails that were personalized to the business owner, their first name, and their precise issue that it found. So let's check this out. I'm going to give you access to this prompt if you need it. All you need to do is leave a comment here on the video, and I will send you the prompt, but this is the prompt I use. So it was a little bit different, because as you're running the GPT agent, you do have to prompt it slightly different, but it works similarly. Now you can get access to their agent on the Pro plan, which runs $20 per month. So if you're willing to spend a little bit of money, the results you're going to get are going to be far more exceptional compared to what you're getting using regular ChatGPT or using DeepSeek. So what you do is you make sure you're on the model GPT-4, and then you come down to the bottom here where it says tools, and you're going to turn on this deep research mode. When you turn on the deep research mode, that activates their new ChatGPT agent mode. So you can see the prompt, which again, I'll give you access to the full Google Doc that has everything broke down. I asked it to find 5 HVAC businesses in Austin, Texas with no clear call to action on their homepage. I asked them to identify what could be improved. I asked them then to write a personalized outreach response offering to improve their conversions with a better AI-powered landing page, and create a sample call only headline and call to action, and output everything in a clean summary that I can use to pitch them. Now, when you start using agent mode, these are one primary difference that you're going to see. It's going to follow up with questions to make sure that it can actually give you the results you're looking for. So here's the questions it gave me, and this is going to be different every time depending on the niche and location that you select. So the first one said, do you want the business to be small local HVAC companies? I said yes. I just put number 1, yes. Question number 2, are you looking for businesses with poorly optimized mobile sites as well, or just desktop ones? I said both. Then question 3, should I prioritize companies that have traffic but are under optimized, or any business size regardless of traffic? I said 3, regardless of traffic, I don't care. And then 4, do you want the outreach message and call only headline to be different for each business, or do you want just a generic reusable version? I said that I wanted it to be unique for each business. So it got to work. As you can see, the research was completed in 6 minutes. It did 194 searches, and it cross-checked 36 different sources. Now, this is super impressive that it was able to do this in 6 minutes. And I will tell you that my research with this and like putting this to use has been that typically we're getting results within 5 to 10 minutes. So it is pretty good. I normally just fire it up. You can walk away. You can actually set it up on your phone, download the ChatGPT app, and it'll notify you when it's done, which is a bonus that I really like. But you can see the results we're getting are far better, far more exceptional here. So we can see here it found Carl's Heating and Air, and it said that they don't have a prominent call to action, and it points out, contact us today to set up an appointment, but it's not a good call to action. They're just plain text phrases. There's no obvious call now button. It actually shows you each part of it, okay? So that's interesting. Now, it went and it wrote a personalized outreach. Hey, Carl, I was impressed by Carl's Heating and Air, their family approach and honest reputation. I pulled that information off their website, by the way, the family-oriented approach and honest reputation, which I think is incredibly impressive. Then it follows up by saying, I noticed your website homepage doesn't have a clear call to action for potential customers. It simply says, contact us today in text without an obvious schedule now button or invitation to call. I believe this might cause some visitors to hesitate or not know how to proceed. I would love to help you turn this into a strong landing page that immediately grabs attention. Okay, so as you can see, very, very specific outreach that I don't have to do any extra work now. I can take this, I can copy it, I can message them on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, wherever I see fit, and boom, I can have a client. Now, you may be thinking, well, yeah, it knew his name was Carl because his company name was Carl's Heating and Air, right? But it doesn't actually, because the next one, Apex Heating and Air Conditioning in Austin, Texas, said Apex unfortunately has no effective homepage at all. Wow. Then in the personalized outreach message, you can see they researched that the owner of Apex is John. And then it wrote the personalized message. I discovered that Apex currently doesn't have an active website, which means many Austin customers may not know how to reach you online. So that's pretty impressive, right? So these are 2 solid leads that we found using agent mode on ChatGPT in literally 6 minutes, but in reality didn't take me much time at all because I just entered in the prompt that I copy and pasted from the Google Doc, which by the way, I'll give to you. If you just leave a comment and you need it, just let me know. Or if you have questions, I'll respond and answer your question and I'll give you a link to it. And then I ran the prompt, I got my outreach message, I copy and pasted it, I whipped them up a quick 10-second website using exactly what I teach inside Lead Gen Site in 10 seconds. I'll leave the link to this course in the description of this video. And boom, you land clients left and right using AI to handle everything for you. So the final verdict here is that if you want to get results, then the ChatGPT agent mode is the best way to go if you know what to ask. And you do know what to ask because I'm giving you literally what to ask. Next up would be DeepSeek. It's the best tool for instantly surfacing client opportunities, but you're gonna have to do a little more work with it. So the best approach is to kind of use both together for a deadly combo. Ask DeepSeek to help you come up with various niche ideas and locations, then run those through ChatGPT agent and find the exact clients that you want to sell stuff to. So again, if you need my prompt pack, which has DeepSeek prompts, it has the ChatGPT agent template, it has DM and email outreach scripts, just leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts on the video, any questions you have, and then I'll reply back and I'll give you a link to download that for free as well. And again, if you want my full system inside Lead Gen Site in 10 seconds, you're gonna get my exact workflow, you're gonna get access to the tools that I use, I'll tell you what they are, how to use them, and then my templates to turn any broken site into a $500 to $2,500 sale. I'll leave a link in the description of this video to that. This system is only $12 right now, but it is on early bird, so that price is probably gonna go up really soon. And if you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so that you don't miss anything, because in the next video, I'm gonna let DeepSeek build a $10,000 lead gen site for me from start to finish. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.